serious talk, and I'm here to talk with you.
Ndowooza twetaaga okwogerera ddala era omukulembeze ali wano okwogera nammwe.
The first claim
ebisooka okubanga bye mugamba
is that there are too many taxes in Uganda.
Nti waliwo emisolo mingi nnyo mu ggwanga Uganda.
This is not true.
Kino si kituufu.
And that's why I am here to talk with you.
Yensonga lwaki omukulembeze ali wano ayogere nammwe.
The policy of the government on taxes is quite deliberate.
Enkola ya gavumenti ku misolo ya kigendererwa.
We normally don't tax what builds Uganda.
Nti tetutera kujja misolo ku ebyo ebiwa Uganda omuwendo oba amabanja.
Ebizimba Uganda.
Ebizimba Uganda. Kudenga bill.
Ebizimba Uganda tetubiteekako misolo. Translate that in good Uganda.
Ebintu byonna enkola ya gavumenti ya Uganda eri nti ebintu byonna ebizimba eggwanga Uganda okugenda maaso tebabiteekako musolo.
Or if we put tax, it is smaller tax.
Oba bwe tuteekako omusolo gwina okuba omusolo nga mutono ddala.
When we came from the bush,
bwe twava mu nsiko
there was tax.
Waliwo emisolo.
There was tax on export of coffee.
Waliwo musolo mu kutunda emmwanyi okugenda mu mawanga ag'ebweru.
It was called coffee export tax.
Gwali musolo gwayitibwanga omusolo gw'ebyemmwanyi mu kutunda ebweru.
We abolished that tax.
Omusolo ogwo gwawerebwa.
There is no tax on the export of coffee.
Tewali musolo mu kutunda kawa waffe ebweru w'eggwanga.
Or any other product which is sold outside.
Oba ekintu kyonna ekiyinza okuba nga kitundibwa ebweru tekuli musolo.
There is no export tax.
Tekuli musolo gwa byakutunda bweru wa ggwanga ng'ebintu ebyo biva mu ggwanga Uganda ng'obitwala mawanga amalala.
And yet, when NRM came into the government, that was the main tax, the main source of the government.
Atenga gavumenti ya NRM yagira mu buyinza ogwo omusolo gwe gwaliwo ng'era gwe guyimirizaawo ebyenfuna by'eggwanga ogwo ogw'emmwanyi okuzitunda ebweru w'eggwanga.
Show me a single export tax, just one. I don't want two, I don't want three, just one.
President abagamba nti wabeewo amulaga omusolo gwonna ku kintu nga kiva mu Uganda nga kigenda ebweru w'eggwanga ne bwe kiba kimu tayagala bibiri oba bisatu nayagala kimu product oba ekyettunzi ekifuluma eggwanga nga kiriko omusolo.
So there is no tax on exports of Uganda.
N'olwekyo tewali musolo gwonna ku bintu ebyo byonna ebitundibwa okuva mu Uganda nga bigenda mu mawanga amalala.
All of them.
Byonna byonna.
There is no tax on individuals, head tax, omusolo gw'omutwe.
Tewakyali musolo ku bantu ku muntu kinnoomu oba omusolo ogwo gwayitibwanga ogw'omutwe.
We abolished that.
Gavumenti yagugaana.
When I buy matoke from Mbarara or from somewhere within Uganda,
President bwagula amatooke okuva Mbarara oba okuva mu kitundu kya Uganda yonna,
I need to get a license
kyeyetaaga okufuna kyokka ebeera license oba ebbaluwa emukkiriza okusuubula amatooke.
And we are having battles with the people in Kampala here who are having too much imposer.
Era President abadde n'entalo nnyingi ku bantu mu Kampala wano ababadde bayina imposer ennyingi ennyo gye bajja ku bantu mu butale.
But the view of the government is that apart from the import tax, apart from the license, internal trade.
Bizasimagajes ahawa GNTV agarkoski.
Omugambirizi w'ishengero ry'etu lya Uganda Ogwenoistin Sa Aneta Among yaragaye abasa kuba natangirira omujwekero wa ihanga lya Japan omusi mu ihanga lya Uganda kandi yagira ngo iki ni cyoreke nkwatanisa nungi rwagati y'amahanga biraga katubireba.
Speaker w'ishengero rya Uganda Ogwenoistin Honorable Aneta Among hone lya nyakaziba yaragaye no kubuganabuganaho n'umujwekero w'ihanga lya Japan n'omundu mu ihanga lya Uganda ningasho kwasa kwita ambassador mu karema ka seri aha offices ye omurembo rwa Kampala okwasa kurge kuganira hanshonga nyingi kandi hona speaker yakosaka gisha okubasa kurgeyo no kugira ngo Uganda n'ibintu byingi byine kuba netwaro munsi ya Japan abo kugira ngo tuyine umwana umurungi nka Uganda kandi n'amategito Nimalunji.
Because originally we used to have the friendship basically in the north, and now that we are going to do throughout the whole country in terms of agriculture, in terms of infrastructure, education and all those things, and the young people who we can identify to support. Now that we're going to do in the whole country, we want to thank you for that, and this country will develop a lot. If all these things are distributed equally. We have a lot of products in the country, like coffee. I think we have the best coffee, but we are looking for market for this coffee. So if Japan can be able to say that we have market for coffee, tomorrow we shall even be able to supply. So we have coffee, we have milk, and we are very, very rich in tourism.
Umujwekero wa Japan omusya wargaye no kwija omundu mu ihanga lya Uganda yargaye no kwereka amashemerero geye ari kugira ngo n'ikirungi munonga okugira ngo ihanga lya Japan rondi cyongera kugenda misho no koragana n'ihanga lya Uganda ikiyagira ngo iki hona nikije kuyambaho amahanga gombiri okwasa kufitaho omukago ogora abase kukoragana hamwe nangwa no kwetungura.
And I also thank you for the friendship and from your parliament and your colleagues that's shown to my predecessor Fuku, and also as a parliament as a whole. We appreciate your resolution for appreciation for our aiding agency, JICA. Our assistance extended to our friends in Uganda in various areas, including, of course, economic development, infrastructure, agriculture, medical, education, refugee, and of course northern part development. And thank you for mentioning the parliamentary exchange.
Kandi speaker hona yargaye no kosaka gishaka arikugira ngo nibijagumana batayayiri ihanga lya Japan barebe bintu kuko bikutwarizwamo n'amateka uko gakutebo mu nkora batyo babikope kandi babirete mu ndo mu ihanga lya Uganda ubundi tokamanya na Uganda ekabasa kutunguka ombintu by'amateka.
Much as we have the laws that we follow, but they are not cast on stone. So we would love to do the benchmarking in your country, and they equally do in Uganda. And we thank you so much for coming. And we are in the East African community. Now in the East African community, we are trying to promote one language.
Commissioner w'ishengero omundu mu ihanga lya Uganda owekitiniza Mathias Mpuga Nsamba hona nawe yaruha mukuru kandi hona yargaye no kwakira umujwekero wa Japan omundu mu ihanga lya Uganda omusya ari kugira ngo abukale kandi ahurire ari omuka ahabukuba Uganda n'ensi nungi.
So on your way to the southwest, you'll be able to reach that critical point and probably test the nature and how geography is shaped by that latitude. So welcome, and that you are pleasing. I should be able to be taken around and appreciate the beauty of Mother Uganda. Welcome.
Thank you.
Speaker Anita Anet Among hono yahendera arukwakira umujwekero ogu arukugira ngu onogwo rigireho atwena koragana kurungi n'abanya Uganda nangwa n'abantu bono mundo muyangira Uganda kandi nanogwo urabukire abo kuba abanya Uganda betebekanise kurungi okoragana nawe nangwa bakareba ngo emikago hagati ya Uganda na Japan byagumaho.
And as you come in now, I want to appreciate your colleague who left, and now you who has come in. I want to really thank you for coming in at the time we need you most. This is the time we need you most. We have a lot of challenges in terms of the climate changes, where the roads have been swept off by water, where we need roads to be worked on, the schools to be worked on, that are rising out of climate changes.
Tuhe Ronald awa GNTV omurembo rwa Kampala.
Twagaruka mu ishenjero ryitu omunyeshenjero wa Kampala ya rwagati ogwo ni Honorable Muhammad Seleko yargayo yashaba ishenjero kurengo babasa kwetegereza cye esente zibaro kuteka mu marwaro balengubine kwani bebuza aha ministry y'ebyamagara gwabo gwo mu sente nibasitayo bashanga bato mu marwaro gatar kwetengwa umbare gwe sente zitari zimwe na zimwe katubire
oryo mwishenjero we cyanga cya Kampala ya rwagati ya wekitinisa Muhammad Seleko yargayo no kutabukira speaker w'ishenjero rya Uganda wekitinisa Anita Anet Among hamwe n'abaminister batari bamwe na bamwe ari kugira ngo enshonga y'amarwaro agarifaro mwejo shimye kuba nekorwaho ministry y'amagara ngukonka turguza kwimukaho tukafa gambireryo mutwate sente tuziteke omarwaro ngubonka abanyishenjero ngo ministry y'amagara idabitire mu mani.
But the gist of the matter is, by presenting this, we are talking about what are we foregoing so that we look at the and weigh and say, definitely this is an amazing proposal, you deserve our support, we shall reflect it in another tax proposal. We are not saying that manufacturing of electric vehicles is bad. It's amazing. Assembling of laptops, amazing. Assembling of televisions, amazing. But we are saying, if we are making the proposal, can we make it, if you want to state that it's $5 million and it's about employment, then we go pro rata. Any person above the investment capital of $3 or $2 million, stamp duty of X.
Honorable members, like the Honorable Karim said, can we pick item by item?
Honorable Muhammad Seleko yargayo no kwabura speaker w'ishenjero ari kugira ngo baza kuteka enshonga aha floor ya parliament bashimiye kubane bereka kugira ngo ekinte kibakuzakora n'ikintu cyurungi ngo bundi nabo bakabashagika bagira ngo ekintu bashimiye kubane bakikora nkonga after kwimukao baketera ekintu kandi bakatekaho ekishimiye kuba kitali.
Right, Honorable Speaker. I think the question that our colleagues fail to understand is not the spirit. We are not challenging the spirit because the spirit belongs with the legislators here. The issue is the quantification. And we would be talking about even $1 million or two. And the power of who accredits a hospital to be referral or not belongs to the Ministry of Health. Of course, we want to encourage investments in health, investments in education. We can even talk about education. We can even talk about agriculture. We can even do it cross-cutting, that any person who makes an investment that is more than $5 million pro rata shall be exempt of stamp duty. You understand what I'm saying?
When we orgo munyishenjero worembo orwambare ochitinisa Honorable Karimu Masaba oyargayo no kugamba ahanshonga izamarwaro garifaro ari kugira ngo ishenjero rumu ndichikwata kubi.
When you look at section D, it states hospital facility developers whose investment capital is at least $5 million and who develops a hospital at a level of a national national referral hospital with the capacity to provide. So what the law is doing is removing the part of a national referral hospital. So the exemption is there to encourage whoever has $5 million to come and invest in our health sector. So there are sections that are good. I do propose that we continue and look at one by one, because there are those that I do not agree with.
Mwenwe orumukuru w'orubazora habara government yo mwishengero rya Uganda okitinisa right honorable Joel Osingenyi yargayo no kugamba ahamarwaraga arukushobora ebisanirizo ebyirwaro rishime kuba ryine byaza kuba rifaro.
And that's why it would be good that ultimately we get that processed report from the committee of who these exemptees are, how do they get to qualify, because that's important for this house to get to know. And then we are sure these people do qualify, it is justifiable, because at some point we'd hear there are companies whose proprietors are unwell, there are companies which are heavily indebted, but the business people downtown are saying they're also heavily indebted. They get loans from banks and so on. So if you're exempting these ones, how about the others? So there's got to be a proper balancing act.
Ochitinisa Honorable Karimu Masaba ogunwo mnyishenjero orembo orwambare nawe yargayo kandi yahakanisa ibyo biragiro kujangwe biragiro barumumba tekaho ebimwe nibyiza kukwata kubi abanyarwanda kandi bikwate kubi abahibo mushoro ari kujangwe ishengero rya Uganda bine kugira ikibakoraho okwenda futasa omuhiwo mushoro.
Yes, there are amendments that we do not agree with. There are those that are coming in to help and protect our people. A company that, because when you look at another exemption of the manufacturers, it's talking about they're including employing at least 70%. So this exemption has been there, but they are trying now to protect our people from just 100%, 100 employees. Because currently you'll find there is a factory probably employing 1,000 people, but the law requires to have 100 people. So the 900 can be foreigners. So when you look at the amendment in that section, it requires 70%. So 70% of the 1,000 will be 100 people who have to be local Ugandans. So I think we need to move forward and go one by one.
Ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya Nikirinton nahabwe mjomba.
Omyishenjero semujunganda yargaya yereko butashemererwa aho aba ministers batari bamwe namwe abaru kutuma kugira ngo barete report ningo kucondoza kuruga omyanya ibabatumamo konka bakanga kuzireta kumara no bwire buringwa cyangwa cyo cyoreka obutafa yihangari yabo kandi nicyoreka ngo naberemwa umurimo yona iba ku bantu bakora ngo kintu cyo kuretera ihangari ya Uganda yazakangaratete katubire.
So this point simply illustrates how lazy finance minister and his team are. That even a tax already provided another law they are bringing here, only to be told by the committee that, hey, you guys, what you are bringing, it is already provided. That's why it is important to draw the attention of Parliament to this. The third point, which is the area of design, is tax exemptions. We have already presented on tax exemptions. But just to mention, this manufacturer of electric vehicle, battery, charging battery, frame and body, as well as a specialized hospital. Our fear is that these particular exemptions seem to be targeting some people. What they didn't do is to write there their names. The letter that has come in as we are processing this bill about Ujagali actually confirms in these particular proposals what is missing are the names of the beneficiary. But the one of Ujagali makes it very clear. Madam Speaker, I am drawing your attention to this as you are being disturbed. That in the case of electric vehicle and specialized hospital, the names are not and beneficiary are not specifically provided, like it is explicitly provided in that letter that this one is to benefit Aga Khan of Ujagali. Because I said I don't have to read each and everything, but just to remind Parliament that tax exemptions are costing us 1.4 trillion. And finally, the last paragraph on this point, as I said, is that this exemption looks like a Pineti, Aga Khan, and the Chiramoto tax exemption law. Only their names are missing. Moreover, all these three have benefited from free land, tax holidays, including free money. We've given them free land, tax holidays, and we keep budgeting to go to these Chira Motors, Ruoa, and Aga Khan. You remember we used our petroleum fund before we started Bujagali. Now, by law, we are saying, everything you take here, you just take, we don't mind. Can government, Madam Speaker, table a list of who currently qualifies for this incentive before consideration of this bill? Then you will know that it is not these individuals. We have spoken about the timing of the new tax proposals and the instability. Those of you who follow social media, you may have seen all sorts of caricatures and of Mr. Tibo Haburwa milking a dead cow. That even when the cow is dead and it is complaining, for him he continues milking. I am just drawing your attention to those. If you are dead, death itself is a complaint if you didn't know. That's why people die when they are crying. So the new tax proposals, which is the last point, is that the timing is very bad. And I think the ministers need to be sensitive. So finally, Madam Speaker, and I want to invite colleagues to always be looking at the certificate of financial implication, especially these brief ones by the resident ministers. In the earlier ones, they were putting one sentence, budget neutral. In this one, they are saying, no, the money is already provided. But to draw your attention, what government intends to raise as a result of this proposal is 40 billion.
Bizasimaga Jess ahawa GNTV Agarkosk.
Mnoga desire agargoto atino mu cyeka cyo kubanza katumure ntugaruka n'icweka cya kabiri.
This is GNTV, releasing life.
Hamurundo GNTV yabaletera Princess Love akakazano ntuza kubantu kalebizo balyo rwakanana neryo rwakatano kwiya saa 10 zo mwabazi kukiza kimwe saa 11 zo mwabazyo otakakaferwa kalmu rukundo hamuzindalo nokuboine video dona kabaka the number one western VJ ebyo byona birumu kalmo kwelya mwenkwe Princess Love niko kazano rukundo yo munyiginya ebyo byona birumu Princess Love ha GNTV
你从人间走来
Covenant Nations Church erikwebemerwa Pastor Patience Museveni Rwagogo bakulite Light Up Ankole Region for Jesus Crusade kurugabiro by'ukwezi 14 mpaka 18 byo kuwa gatanu 2024 omuchayi boma omutugwe kiterane eki n'okutimba amaziba ga revival akwatanise n'abahereza nka Bishop Dr. Silas Sayebwa, Right Reverend Nathan Ahimbisikwe, Right Reverend Johnson Tino Mujuni, Right Reverend Stephen Namanya, Bishop Patrick Pefuga, Right Reverend Amos Magezi, Reverend Canon Newton Baryisha, abagambi bakuru Apostle Alex Mitara, Bishop Dr. Joshua Rere, Bishop Dr. Moses Odonk, Apostle Dr. John Bunjo, Apostle Dr. Michael Chumuli, Apostle Dr. Daniel Batambuze, Bishop Deo Musoke, hamwe na mama Dr. Alice Mwesigwa, omukyala w'umureberesi Dr. Sheldon Mwesigwa, omugenyi mukuru President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'omukyala we Janet Kata Museveni. Ebyona bizakuba bitandika shayi mwezi mukasheshe mpaka shayi birizo mwabazyo at Shayi Boma Grounds. Ebyona bishakirwa GNTV. Releasing Kingdom Life.
This is GNTV, Releasing Life.
Koze mu kiweka kiize kya kabiri okuruga omurimbare omu division ya industrial bakansara baragayo babasakwana bakinga office abo kugira ngo tubakashashwirwe sente zabo bagira ngo batwire nibashitama omu nkiiko zitari zimwe na zimwe nkonka babura kuhebwa akasente kabakubenje bakumanya nka allowance nibagira ngo kanso itabashashwire nabo tubije kurebeka ngo bigura office suka tubirebe
bakansara abatari bamwe na bamwe okorwa mu division erw'amanyanga ya industrial division omurembo rukuru orwambare ona bargayo no kwetombwita kandi nukubatyo bakakinga offices zabo bakagira ngo tubaragarike kwigura za office baba batashashwirwe kasente kabo akabura ari kubanja kanso yo rembo orwambare aba nibetombitera abakuru okurwa mu kanso yambare okugira ngo tubaka bashashwire kasente kabo aka allowance kandi obwa haten sente nyamwinji abo kugira ngo bargaye bashitamo mu shitama zitari zimwe na zimwe za kanso bitu bakushashura kasente kabo
ekigendererwa nje ku making sure nti omuntu wa bulijjo afuna services kivola nti yascalinga down ne PDM neda muntu waki wa bulijjo kati waba aweereza sente who are you omisuzinga sente z'omu wa musolo
cheche mukozo
ze wano okwetegeza kye kigenda mu maaso ne batubulira amandazi ayo tugamba nedda ekitegeeza bana abakozi okubeera mu office bayinza okuba bali mu kyagamba basooke bafulume offices tugende wa RCC ajje wano tutereze ensonga tulabe whether they are worth remain in our offices otherwise oba kyetaagisa ministry tuweereza abakozi abalala abagenda okuimplementinga manifesto ya president naye bano abaimplementing by their stomachs we are not going to deal with them.
Peter Moses Magombe mviramu wa Hwaba Central Ward engudo tuli bubi nnyo tufa corruption eri ku division industrial division yengaga ate abantu tebasasula n'abantu etumanyi kiki satani yajja mu industrial division. These are only thieves who are taken class. They are thieves. Kale tusaba government eri waggulu etuyambe tufa abantu baffe bafa no service totally ebisasiro biki engudo na olugudo oluva mu nkaaga okulinnya paka ku ssomero lubi abantu bafuna accident bagwa bugwi kale twase tulwanirire kwebali
omukuganiro na bamwe abarukura ururembo rwambare abarukujunanizwa kushashura bakansara aba nibagira ngo batwe ibintu boremeze buhango abo kugira ngo sente zone zibabemba tunga babemba rigayo batyo kandi bashashura ibizu bine ngo kandi ubwa hatiya akasente baromba rundana ukureba ngo bashashura bakansara aba ako barukubanje nibagira ngo akasente kona ko batwire mbatunga batwire nibashashura amabanje ngo batwire bine
Nyagange nze Busikumati serving nga principal town clerk industrial city division. Tulina ensonga ne members ba council ku ensonga ya emolument bagamba tetwabasasudde allowances ku sente ze twafuna naye sente ze twafuna zaaliko amabanja mangi nnyo nga tulina okugasasula especially ku nsonga ezikwatagana na council emirimu gya council nga tulina okusasula amabanja ago tulabe nti division tugikendezaako amabanja agakuruwinze overtime. Aliresi ensonga ne of course tulina emitendera gye tukozesamu especially closing an office naye ensonga eri ku butafuna allowances naye tubadde tubawadde priority nga olaba ene local government ebeera ne priorities emubeera nebyemusasula nabo tubawadde priority era lwokuba tubadde tugenda nabasasula tuli suppose okubasasula per sitting as council members naye waliwo ekiseera ekituuka nga tulina challenges ne tubeera nga tetusobodde okubasasula timely but however tuli kukola ekisoboka kyonna tulabe nti tubasasula ssente mo special sawa zino nga tuli mu field tuli kunganya sente tulabe nti buli kimu kisasulwa on time. Sente zetu basasula ziva mu local revenue gwe tukunganya era sente zino tuzisasula ne zigenda through URA ne zikomawo ne zitwala almost a period y'omwezi gumu ne tulyoka tubasasula. Kale ebintu tebikyalingedde twali tukunganya ne tuteeka ku account regular ne tuzijja ne tubasasula. Ebintu ennaku zino bya system tukosa e-lograve system gye tukunganyirako sente bwe tumala okunganya sente ne tulyoka tuzisasula.
Bona bakansara kubargaho nuko kurgayo bakashitamo mu rukiko okugira ngo bakahana amagezi kandi bareba icyo bakubasa kugenda nacyo mnisho no kureba sente ezibaru kubanje.
Capacity building funds, road funds. I want to inform you, me, I'm from Industrial Division. The roads which we have assigned the city to work on is Kakuta Road, we have Mutoto Upper, we have Kasaja. But I want to inform you, for example, me I stayed in Marari. Kakuta Road has been closed over 6 months. Up to now, people from Marari, Kakuta Road, they pass Mukaga. Now, where did the money of 1 billion city funds from the roads? What did they do?
Banyuma nuko kurgayo tukaganiraho na kansara omwe aharyaba bakansara abariho nubetombuitera obutashushura kasente kabo kandi hona yargaye no kugira ngo bwahatiya nabanje sente nyamwinji ekyakugira ngo kanso tefire yo kubashashura.
Naye bakozi banange bangambye bafuna miliyoni ngo bankaga mu something. Ne bagamba ku miliyoni nkaga mu something ze bafuna. Miliyoni 23 n'ekitundu. Baali basasula banja lya Manerenda baali bewoze sente kusasula ko baki bakansala. Kati bandi basasude nga tebana asasula omuntu gwe bakola ki gwe bewolayo sente. Ne bakwata ko sente ezimu ate baali bewoze sente ndoza kuweza eza program ya Udege okola ku okusasula amasanyalaze solar lights. Ne bakwata miliyoni 29 ne baziteeka kuki kwekyo. Kati buli sente wezibeerawo bana kubanga bafunako kuki kusente. Naye kyo mukisa omubi kuno tebafunye kuki kukasente. Naye nga administration ya wano bagamba guno mwezi gwa katandika bagenda kufuna ate sente endala z'omwezi gwaki guno gutandika naye priority ya kusasula baki bakansala
zasimaga Jesse ahabwa GNTV Agarkost.
Omugambirizi wa polisi y'ihanga lya Uganda Hogan Western Fred Enanga yargayo yarabura ebina by'obutegetsi kukira munonga ebyo by'orubaju ruhabura gavumenti okurebeka ngo tubataho bwesharingo nangwa na n'obushashamaro babanu barondo bagize mu ihanga lya Uganda. Ebyo na yabgamba bwanyuma y'ebina bitamwe na bimwe okugayo bikarangira ngo bija kwa mbyetororo mu districts zone za Uganda no kuronda kandi bakwandikisa abahagize basya katubirebe.
Ubwo ihanga rya Uganda ryongeye tebekanisa okwejumbera omukaruru kabona K2026 akaniko karkwija kusharamu arabe mukuru y'ihanga rya Uganda arabe omunyishenjero w'ecyanga cyanyu ningashi arabe kansara chairperson LC1 ningashi ogwe ishenteko wentebe yona bwenu obwa hati ebina byo butegetsi okwetorora ihanga ryona byatandikire kwetorora birukuronda obahagizi omubantu mweno kwebuzaho otireho no kuronda obushagiki okubasa kubutura ekibina hamwe no kutuma abanyishenjero hamwe nabo abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe mbweni cyo ekibina cha FDC John Forum for Democratic Change abweshweka ecyakatonga bakargayo batandikaho entekateka yo kuronda obahagizi ombantu hamwe na nobushagiki otireho na no kwebuza abantu bamba basa kutandika ekibina ecyabo narishi bakumizamu na n'ekibina cya FDC takaye bwango ecweke cyo ecyakatonga nicyebemberwaho ekitinisa Lord Mayor wa Kampala Salongo Elias Rukwago hamwe nogwe watandikira ekibina cyo na cha FDC oyitinisa Colonel Dr. Chiza Besije kandi aba niko bakugenda hamwe barukwetorora ihanga ryona kurunda obuhagizi na no kwebuza aha bantu kandi wewe kitinisa Robert Sentamu Kyagulanyi wabingi barukumanya nka Bobby Wine ogweno w'ekibina ecy'orubazora bwa government echa National Unity Platform ugahati ekirukusinga yo abanyishenjero aborubazuwora habara government omwishengereryo nawe obuhireho argireyo yarangira ko ekibina cyabo echa National Unity Platform nikiza kwetorora ihanga ryona kugarukamu kurunda obuhagizi hamwe n'obushagiki ombahagizi babo.
We are soon going to be starting the phase 2 of our nationwide tour and we are coming to you.
Bwenuwe oriyo mugambirizi wa polisi yo mihanga ryitwe rya Uganda owekitinisa senior commissioner wa polisi ogwenwe Fred Enanga obyaba ali aha kitebe kya polisi ekiri kushangwa omurinaguru omurikiko rw'abanyamakuru orukukira kubaho bururizo bari kubanza we yargayo no kushobora ngubonka polisi hamwe n'ebyo kwerinda tubakatungaga baruhayona erikurwa mu kibina cya National Unity Platform barukushaba kugira ngo nibenda obukumi ngugumizamu okuronda obushagiki no kwetorora omihanga ya Uganda barukuronda obuhagizi ombantu babo okwa hansi nanombichweka bitali bimwe na bimwe.
Kiseera kino tulina kibiina kirala kyataddeyo okusaba kwabwe oba kyategezezza poliisi mu ngeri gye balina okutambula nga bakuŋŋaanya ebirowoozo. Ekibiina kye tulina ekyatuwa program kubanga jjukira obukuumi buba bwetaagisa mu ntambula wano okumanya nti ebifo bibagenda mu ddala biri secure bulungi ate
owekitinisa senior commissioner wa polisi Fred Enanga yargaino kwabara abebembezi bakuru abekibiina cy'orubazo rwa government cya National Unity Platform mubagende barebere ahari bakuru babo abekibiina cya FDC ecweka ecyakatonga akubangubo bagumize muntu betorora ihanga rya Uganda umusinje batakutekaho kashashamaro akazabiro hamwe na nakesharingo kona barebere ahari yawo baba nibenda kwetorora ihanga ryona ngukandi bize babanze basaba n'urusa umupolisi.
So ekibiina kya FDC ekyakatonga kibadde kitambula nga kikuŋŋaanya ebirowoozo tetunafuna kwemulugunya kwonna. Basobodde okukolagana ne poliisi mu bitundu ebyenjawulo. Programu yaabwe twagifuna mu bujjuvu.
Beno mu nsonga ejo ebyo kwerinda na munongo buturumunsi tawo mu karuwa k'2026 polisi yahereze kurgayo no kushohoza orukara barukweta abobona abarukwenda kwejumbira omubyo kwerinda na munonga nka polisi barukugira ngo batandikire za training hamwe no kwakira abobona abarukwenda kwegita hari polisi
betuli mugezesa ku mulundi guno basuka mu 15 naye nga ate twagala 25 bukka kiba kitegeeza nti abeetabye balina omukisa gwa bitundu 5 ku buli 100 okufuuka abapoliisi.
Kandi mu nsonga nizo zimwe ezebyo kwerinda omwihanga rya Uganda uryo mugambirizi wa ministry y'ensonga z'omunda owekitinisa afande Simon Mundei yargayo no kwabura abanya-Uganda barukufutura aheru y'amayanja omahanga agandi agaryoko aheru arikugira ngo barekeraho omuzego guzaza passport zabo barukuronda icyo kurya bacheza bakargayo kwebehera mu passport zabo zibuzere bene bo baruhire na naho kweto mwitwa kw'abantu nkabo ngukandi barukuziguza nkana.
So tuse ku situation tulaba nti cases zino zibadde zeyongera nnyo nga tugenda tulaba cases za lost passport zeyongera buli kanaku. So netusalawo netwogeraganya ne countries ezo we tulina ebitebe byaffe
bwenu abutubire tukiri aha kitebe cya polisi ababyo kwerinda barije no kugamba haryabo abanya-Uganda abakwatirwa mu ihanga rya Myanmar barukugira ngo bo bakabakwatira ubwo behekera ngo shayo na mbiza garwa mu ihanga rya Uganda batine kikwata mukono ngo kubeshongezo bonga bibyo kwerinda hamwe na government bakashitama kare ukande shayo na mbiza kushika hankugiro barare bagarika mu Uganda bashimerwa mu ihanga ryabo bayiza barukunaga emikono nk'abanyamahanga. Ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya ndi Clinton nahawe mjomba
ya Uganda ogweno Westinsa Charles Peter Maiga yarwiye ashaba ziro kurekeraho kwegesa abana okushisha gure sento miringo itari imwe ebyo na yabugamba bwanyuma y'umwejomwe okurebwa ari ukoresa enyonyi yabire nargamo bwe bariyo mukujaguza embaga zawo zishomero irishimimanyoke rya Elite katubrebe
bwanyuma y'akatambi komweji wa Elite High School ogwarigireyo kandi akazomupate yabo yo kumaliriza okushoma akandi arukugenderaho omunyonyi ojete helicopter obu waine omukundo we nko mulingo gumwe go kushemerwa abo kumaliriza emishomo yabo ekintu eki kirigereyo kyagambisa abantu bingi ebicwente amabere bari kugira ngu no kushishagura esente kandi hamwe no kwegesa abana bato okushishagura esente no kuzikoresa ngezitine mugasho mwenwe orkatikiro wa kabaka bwa Buganda wekitinisa Charles Peter Mayiga arigireyo no kuhabura abazire bona abakushangwa umubakabaka bwa Buganda arikubagira ngu bareke kuretera abana babo bayega okusishagura sente ngwa kuba ikintu eki nikiza kubagira mu kibi munonga ngwa kuba umwana ko kubura kumuriza akiri muto nayiza akuriza bukuru arikuba habarangwa abana ba baguma baza kuza ombintu nkebi bagume babahereze akasente kake ngo kandi bakuraterize kureba akasenta kuba kariya bata kandi bakakolesa bata
omwana ali munnamunkanga amazina febe twali ekisubi abaana beggayaza abawala nga batweyunira bannange bwe kiri naye tetwagenderako mu ebyo ebintu tebyaliyo abaana nga babaleta mu baasi bayambalanga engoye zaabwe era ng'abaana amazina bikino weyazika akasuuti ku munaayi n'akasuuti ne mugenda wali dansi bwe byali mu mbeera za bulijjo simanyi kiri mu masomero kati abaana ne bagenda ne bayita emmotoka esinga okubeeza ebbeeyi nti bagenda kuzina amazina n'abaana bannaabwe omwana n'ajjira mu nnamunkanga abaana mubakola ekyejo omuganda agamba nti omwana bw'otamukaabya mu buto akukaabya mu bukadde bajjajjaffe omwana omuteeka otya mu nnamunkanga nti bino byakwejala byesimanya biki n'emmotoka ezisinga okubeeza ebbeeyi emmotoka egula akawumbi kalamba emmotoka egula akawumbi kalamba n'amupankiza kitaawe namunkanga ate n'amupankiza ne oba ya kitaawe emmotoka yakawumbi kalamba nti agenda kuzina mazina ne mwana munne kiki kyemugezaako okukola abo abaana tebajja kubaamu kanigguusa
Charles Peter Mayiga ahantu harigireyo akahabura abazire ngo bazaguma kuhereza abana babo za pocket money hamwe n'akasende yo kugendanisa ishomero bagume babakorere na za budgeti bababuze sentezi bazirire bata ngo kandi zaheza kwawo nabo bize bashobore sentezi okuba zirire kandi kiziretire zarakanokwaho
era mu abali wana abesobola timukola abaana bammwe ekyejo nze nkibagamba bulijjo bw'oba oyina ssente mmeka omwana muwe budget owekitiibwa Mutaasa Kafeero abaana balina kusomera ku budget nti nkuwadde emitwalo 3 gy'ogenda okulya wiiki bwe ziba ziweddewo akubuulire lwaki zaaweddewo si balimba akubuulire lwaki zaaweddewo omwana nga ajja akima kapyatayo owekitiibwa oyo alina kapyata kumpi etemya n'okutemya eriiso eringa etemya eti omwana ogimuwa otya nti gy'aba atwala ku mazina lwaki
Charles Peter Mayiga ahantu harigireyo akeheraho nk'ekyo kureberaho ngo byabe nashoma mukuru w'akaine emotoka nkonka akabazi mwima nkonka tikiramuremise kurugamu omuntu w'amani ngo negishaha ngo hariho abakikise orukiko kandi we taragenzere emotoka yona omupate n'obukwakuba kuzashomero aine emotoka
bwe nali nsoma emakerere naberanga ne mukuru wange nga amamotoka agalina kati wabangayo abaana baleeta emmotoka makerere bajja bavuga genda nokangakanga abawala eyo ngaovuga emmotoka nange ne mugamba njagala mmotoka naŋŋamba sijja kukuwa mmotoka okutuusa ng'omaze makerere ng'omaze ne LDC ne munyiigira nnyo mukulu wange tanjagaliza birungi lwaki annyima emmotoka gundi yaleese emmotoka naye gundi yaleese emmotoka oyo omulenzi aleese emmotoka nze musinga n'okugolola essaati kale teebereza singa nze mbadde mu mmotoka naye nga birimu makulu ki kugenda kulonda bawala eri mu gundi era bonna abo abaaleetanga emmotoka tebalina bwe bali nze mundabe gwe bamma emmotoka era mukulu wange mwekola era nenkiyiga mwekola era nange nenkiyiga nkola yange eri kyeyetiitibya abaana okutuukawo
ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya ndi Clinton nahabwe mujomba
bari mnonga Clinton hagongo tabatwinire kireki kandi bari kwekumira ha GNTV ndi basaga nkwasa mirare kurungi